And what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna discuss the 7 most common problem related to mouse and best way to fix them. After watching this video till the end, you will able to get rid from all types of issues like freezing mouse cursor, mouse pointer doesn't move, mouse doesn't work, problem with double click and many more. Keep watching this video till the end so that you will able to get rid from any kind of mouse related issue.
Problem number 1: freezing of mouse cursor.
Every once in a while, the mouse cursor stop working completely. This is also referred as frozen cursor. This usually occurs when your PC is under a heavy load and hang frequently. The best way to solve this issue is that you can try closing all the programs that are running in the background. The next thing you can try is by restarting your PC.
Problem number 2: mouse pointer does not move smoothly.
One of the main reasons of this issue is that dust accumulation at the bottom of the mouse surface. What you can do is remove the dust from the mouse surface and replace or clean your mouse pad. I hope this will gonna solve your issue. If not, please let us know in the comment section. If you are still watching this video, make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy thoughts worthy and well researched video on tech related issue and much more interesting tech related videos in the futures.
Problem number 3: mouse pointer freezes.
A lot of viewers were asking me that my mouse pointer doesn't work smoothly. What should I do, NBL? And then I said, wait for a few days. I'm gonna create the video on this topic. So I'm creating this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know in the comment section if you enjoy this video. So let's move to the solution. One of the reasons why you are facing this issue is that you are in extreme CPU uses, or your CPU has been used extreme, and other reason might be our application hanging. Sometimes the website, the software that you are using on your PC might get hang. So what you can do is that once your mouse is ready to respond, all you need to do is that go to the task manager. If your mouse isn't working, you can try typing on keyboard control plus shift plus esc for window and command plus option plus escape for Mac. Then from there you can select the software or application that are running in the background and tap on in process. In this way you can stop the process of the application that were running in the background, which eventually lead to solve this issue.
Problem number 4: mouse doesn't work at all.
The main causes of this issue is that loose connection or the mouse connector being connected to the incorrect port. You can help by examining the physical connection to ensure that the mouse is properly connected to the correct port. Is it still not working? If not, so it's time to get a new mouse.
Problem number 5: mouse pointer is too fast or too slow.
Misconfiguration of the setting is one of the main reasons of this issue. In order to fix it, you have to follow the following step. Go to the Windows search bar and search Control Panel. And search mouse at the search bar. And now you can see the option called change the mouse pointer display or speed. Click on it. And now you can go to pointers if you want to change the speed, or you can click on pointer option to change the speed. Now you can change the type of speed which you want. According to your choice you can change it. Either you want to make your mouse Too fast or slow? It really depends upon you. So make sure you change according to your choice.
Problem number 6. Problem with double click.
Problem with double click is actually quite similar as I talk the solution out. Mouse pointer is too fast or slow. So in order to fix it, we have to again go to the control panel and source mouse in the source bar, and now tap on mouse setting. From here you can see the option double click speed. Now you can change the speed of your mouse as per your ease.
Problem number 7. Uneven behavior of mouse pointer.
The main cause of this problem is that inappropriate mousepad or dirty sensor area. This problem is easily resolved by purchasing a mousepad and cleaning the mouse sensor. If you want to clean up mouse sensor, you can use a soft brush to clean it. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.